Sample will undergo laboratory tests. Okay. For example, the rubbles which is lying on the floor of this PO, okay, on the road surface, they will be taken by the police personnel and will be examined in our laboratory to find the consistency with the standard mortar mixture. Okay, whether it complied, whether the rubbles collected from the PO matched or complied with the standard mortar mixture.
So you will check the quality of the mortar, sir, that has been used, whether the quality has been compromised or not. That would be
Exactly so.
So you have collected samples, sir. Only
Yes.
concrete samples you have collected.
Right now, only these things are available. Apart from that, some biological samples have also been collected. Blood stain from that lorry, 10-wheel lorry being trapped underneath the collapse section. You can see there.
Right.
Okay.
So tell me something, sir. The incident happened at 12:30. 12:30 last afternoon, sir. Why are you here 24 hours later? Even more, sir. Most of the debris has already been picked up from the accident site and been dumped at the dumping site. Do you think you have lost a lot of time?
Actually, there are some certain things which we have to obey. Unless
What are
we
the
receive,
things, sir?
unless we receive requisition, we cannot come.
When
All
did
of
you
us.
receive the requisition,
Just
sir?
today morning, and we responded as early as possible.
And the requisition has come from the state government, sir?
Yeah, from the DC of Police, Kolkata Police.
But do you think, sir, you being part of the state forensic laboratory, sir, do you think you have lost a valuable time by not coming yesterday?
No, nothing like that. At that time, the priority was the rescue operation.
So
Okay.
Many people have been complaining that yesterday morning the work
I
was
don't
going
know.
on and the cement which had fallen down with the entire structure was wet. Do you think by collecting that sample you could have gauged better whether the quality was compromised or not?
If it's a matter of composition, if I had collected 2 days before or 2 days later, it won't matter because the composition of the ingredients would remain the same. Okay.
Have you been able to collect something
I know.
from the accident?
I would like to also
Have
add.
you been able to collect something from the accident?
Yeah,
site
yeah.
as well, sir?
What we have collected is mainly from the affected region, that is the accidental site. Okay.
Okay.
Have you been able to trace the source of the collapse?
Yeah. Which has been.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
It is the single pier standing on the junction of the road. Okay. You see there are two projected portion. The two projected portion, horizontal portion of the pier, it has bent down, sheared downward. Okay.
Right. So,
You can check it out. At the other side of the road, there are two piers.
so that's
But,
that's an engineering fault. You would
I can't say. I just pointed it out. Engineers will better say whether it's a fault or